Introducing the USC Plastic Free Initiative, getting USC to be plastic free by the end of 2025. The first step, the Zero Waste Kit. By providing all Trojans with the Zero Waste Kit, which includes high-quality, reusable utensils, straws, bottles, and containers, USC will be fueling the transition to a low-waste culture. Using similar methods of distribution as our PPE kits, USC will be able to follow the lead of California state schools that are already in the process of eliminating single-use plastic by 2023. This initiative will support the decrease in single-use plastic on our campus while simultaneously increasing sales of quality USC-branded reusable goods. Supplemented by monetary contributions from every purchase, we are proposing an overdue land and impact acknowledgement statement. This is an opportunity to acknowledge the indigenous land and the impact that USC has had on the South LA community, centering the voices historically silenced by our institution that are also the most impacted by the waste produced by USC every day and climate change as a whole. USC is behind in being a leader of sustainability. With the water conservation and waste reduction milestones missed, the Zero Waste Kit is a simple yet layered solution to keep momentum. In order for us to become a champion in the fight for climate change, we need a cultural shift to support the bold internal policy. Let's get USC plastic free. We are Riddick and Gray, and we wanted to thank those who have made the Blackstone Launchpad Sustainability Challenge initiative possible.